Okay, so let's build off the last example for table application map key, and I'm going to change things around a little bit. We're going to be erasing memory at the start of this process. And then we're just using a standard model open, which allows us to open models directly into the Creo session. We're going to be using a star.prt. A couple of reasons for that. We just want to grab anything that has that in there. We have quite a few models in there. I just wanted to grab a handful of models. And then we're going to run this table application map key, which is referencing this table over here, which is called map key table. So you can see here, this is the map key that's going to be ran. And instead of listing all the parts out that are in session, we're actually just going to run this using a star.prt. We could do star.star if we wanted to. It just, we're loading parts, so we're just going to keep it to parts. So when we run this, the first thing it's going to do is obviously erase memory, and then it's going to open up each of those models, and now it's looping through each of those using the MAPKEY execute function that's there. Now, you'll notice that this didn't kind of end up where we thought it should be. It didn't end up in that front view. If I run the MAPKEY manually, that's where it should be ending up. So that's an indication that we actually need to probably incorporate this pause after seconds. So I'm going to put in a PAUSE, AFTER, SEC, add that column in there, and then let's put in a 3-second pause between things. Then when we run this again, it's going to erase memory and start to loop through each of those. And as you can see here, it's pausing after each model that it's finding by 3 seconds to allow that map key to run and complete its operation before trying to proceed to the next one. So this is a really powerful capability. If you're doing a lot of light batch processing or just need to run a map key consistently like this across, or more generically across models or drawings using wildcards, this is a really, really handy way to do things.